Here is a Subaru Crosstrek. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear door, not the front doors. So let's get started with the rear right door. Open the door and right over there is a switch. Just push it down to activate the feature. And now once the feature is activated, I can still open it from outside. However, once I get on the inside, no matter what I do, locked, unlocked, I cannot open the door. So what am I going to do to get out of the car? I'm just going to slide over there and open that door and get out. And I can because we haven't activated the feature on this door yet. So open this door, open the right side door from outside, and push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. And now it's back to normal. I can open it from outside, and on the inside, in the lock position I cannot open, in the unlock position I can open, and that's good. Repeating the process for the left side door, exact same process, same everything. Just push that switch down to activate the feature. I can open it from outside. However, on the inside, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open it, and I cannot. So what am I going to do? You already know. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you do activate this feature separately on both the doors, because you don't want the child to just get out of the car seat, slide on the other side, and open the door and get out and cause problems. So open this door, open the left side door from outside, just push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside when it's locked position I cannot open. Unlocked I can open, and that's good. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.